Hello students, this is Pushpa here from Modern English High School. Today we will start with Standard 8 Science, Lesson 8 Cell Structure and Function. We have already learnt about living and non-living things. We also know that living organisms, they carry out various functions, and these functions are carried out by various organs. Organs are made up of tissues, which are a group of cells performing similar tasks. In this chapter, we will study about cell, which is basic structural unit of an organism. You all must have seen bricks assembled in a building. Similarly, cells are assembled to make the body of an organism. In the year 1665, a scientist named Robert Hooke discovered cell. He observed some slices of cork under simple magnifying device, that is microscope. He saw some boxes which appeared like a honeycomb. They were separated by a wall. He named this box as cell. Today we know a lot about cell because of improved microscopes. Cell is basic structural and functional unit of a living organism. All living organisms are different from each other, but they all are made up of cells. Example is egg of a hen. It is a single cell and can be seen by unaided eye. We have different plant cells and animal cells. Let us study some of them. See the figure 8.2 of brick wall and a plant cell, that is onion peel. We can see that the cells are arranged similarly to that of bricks. How the bricks are arranged in a building, similarly the cells are arranged in the plant cell. Now the number of cells are different in different animals. Human body has trillions of cells which vary in different shapes and sizes. Organisms are unicellular or multicellular. Unicellular organism means the organisms made up of single cell. Example, amoeba and paramecium. Next is multicellular organisms. The organisms made up of many cells are called multicellular organisms. Example, human beings, animals, birds, etc. Life of an organism begins with a single cell, which is a fertilized egg. It multiplies and number of cells increases and development proceeds. Amoeba is a unicellular organism, but it performs all necessary functions that multicellular body or an organism performs. The shape of amoeba is irregular, or there is no definite shape, unlike other organisms. It keeps on changing the shape due to the formation of pseudopodia. Now what is pseudopodia? These are various projections protruding out of its body. These projections appear and disappear as it moves or feeds. Amoeba can capture and digest food, can respire, excrete, grow and reproduce. So we can see that these projections, which are called pseudopodia, are very important in the function of amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism, that means it is having a single cell. Similarly, we have WBCs, that is white blood cells in humans. It is a single cell which can change its shape. Cells can be of different shapes and it depends on its functions. Cells can be round, spherical, elongated, spindle-like, flat, oval, cylindrical, etc. Let us see some of them. See the figure 8.4. We have first one as RBCs. Now these are red blood cells which are red in color due to blood present. Here the transport of gases takes place. They are round in shape. Second one, smooth muscle cells which are long and pointed at both the ends. So they are called as spindle shape. That means they are narrow from ends and broader in the middle. Third one is quite long and branched, that is the nerve cell. Here the transfer of messages takes place.